liked when you said about the awakening part of state of mind, because I was reading some works, some books of Vadim Zeland, and um, he's a philosopher, also physics, and works with subconscious. And there was a concept that we cannot our mind cannot distinguish when we are dreaming, when we are in our sleep, and when we are in our reality, because it's actually a masterpiece to wake up in the reality that we believe we are in.
And I am a huge fan of physics, metaphysics, and the whole process. You've probably heard about this test that they did, where they set up this test and they fired photons, through a little hole at a target.
The double-slit experiment.
And when nobody was looking at it, it did whatever it did. And when people watched it, it did something completely different. Does that also include our reality, in which we are where we are consciously but also unconsciously observing how we walk through this world? The best analogy, I personally believe, I'll give you two different analogies. One analogy is that your unconscious mind is like an elephant, and you, the conscious mind, you're riding the elephant, and when everything's groovy, the elephant will go in the direction that you want it to go, except for, when a tiger pops out of the jungle, then you're going to go with the elephant. The other analogy that I heard, which I currently subscribe to, is you have a mind, and and that mind includes your thought, your consciousness, but it also includes your body. You may be aware that we have as many neuro-receptors in our head as we do in our chest and in our belly.
The three minds.
So my model of consciousness is let's say that we're in a space and it's pitch, or let's use a warehouse just for fun.